Hello, this is Mr. Paul. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking special fried chicken. First, let me show you my ingredients, what I use. I use Celtic sea salt, oil, you can use any oil, black pepper, sesame oil, and this is the most important ingredients, Lee and Perrins Worcester sauce, soya sauce, paprika, and finally cayenne pepper. Okay, before I start frying the chicken, I'm going to steam it. So I'm going to add half of onions and some thyme. So now I'm going to add the chicken to the boiling water. I'm going to give it a stir. Cover that down and leave it for 15 minutes on medium fire. Okay, now the chicken has been steamed and boiled. I'm going to make the batter. Okay, so I take 2 eggs for this. So I'm going to put some salt. Black pepper. Sesame oil. I would say about 1 teaspoon. Lee and Perrins Worcester sauce. Again, 1 tablespoon. Soya sauce. Not too much soya sauce. Paprika, half a teaspoon. Cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon. Now I'm going to stir the batter. I'm going to add flour. Give it a stir. This is the chicken I steamed for 15 minutes. It's finished. So now I'm going to put it into the batter I just made. Now I'm going to stir the chicken in the batter. Before I do that, I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of flour. And I'm just going to... Now this is what I boiled the chicken in. Now this is beautiful chicken stock, which I will use for my next video to make chicken chow mein. Now I'm going to coat the chicken in breadcrumbs, which is a shake and bake. So how I do that, I take the chicken, put it in the breadcrumbs. So now I'm ready to fry the chicken. So I've used about half a bottle of oil in a medium-sized pot. So I'll let the oil hot for like 5 minutes, then I'm going to put the chicken in. Okay, now the chicken is golden brown, you can take it out.
Golden brown, texture like sun, lays me down, with my mind she runs throughout the night. No need to fight, never a frown, with golden brown. time, just like the last.
Okay, now I've finished the fried chicken, I'm going to taste it. The fried chicken, I usually use some Grace hot sauce. Delicious. It's crispy on the outside and soft in the inside, and it tastes absolutely amazing. If you liked watching this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.